Tired of digging through irrelevant tabs in Salesforce Lightning? Customize your navigation bar in under 3 minutes. I'll show you exactly where to go in Setup and how to add the apps you use most. Just follow these simple steps. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner to open Quick Settings. Then, click Open Advanced Setup to dive into the full Setup menu. In the search bar at the top, type App to filter the options. Now, select App Manager from the results to see your list of apps. Find the app you want to customize and click its drop-down arrow. From the drop-down, choose Edit to open the app's settings. In the Edit window, click on Navigation Items to manage the tabs. In the Available Items list, select the items you want to add. Then, click the right arrow button to move them to Selected Items. Now select more items from the available list that you'd like to include. Again, click the right arrow to add them to the selected items. Continue by picking additional items from the available list. And click the right arrow once more to move them over. Finally, click Save to apply your changes. And that's it. You've customized your tabs. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.